Susunod na kanta? Ayos ko na sabihin, ikaw ba ay nauuaw na? Ikaw ba ay natutuyot na ang lalamunan? Halika na, nandito ang milk tea mo, arty mo! Ang arty mo naman! Dito ka na, may iba't ibang flavor tayo, may taro, may matcha, may taro, kayo na lang magpasa. Sige na, order ka na. Ang susunod na kakanta, ever ka!
Ay, maganda yan. Kissing cake.
Don't need to think it over if I'm wrong. I am.
Hello, ma'am.
Don't need to
Si Rian po.
say
Ma'am, siya yung gagawa namin ng picture.
know
Sino yun?
these love birds.
Ano ba paupo ah? Paupo ah, kahit ito ah!
Was answered to you, and that's exactly what I need to do if I'm in love with you. Should I give in, or should I just keep chasing feelings, even if the leads away? Or would it be less, even if I knew my place? Should I leave it there? Should I give up, or should I just
Ay, nahanap ko.
even if
Kami lang to, kami lang to.
it's so late?
Sunod na si ano, si Pat. Oy!
As I run
Ay, Karina.
and my